Drivin Ivan here, checking out a 1973 Cadillac Eldorado pace car from the Indy 500. Look, even the wheels say Indy 500, the tires. Firehawk Indy 500, that's pretty cool. They made them big back then. They actually stopped a little bit after this making the convertibles until like the mid-80s. And a lot of people in my family had one of these Eldorados. We had a Coupe de Ville convertible, but I've definitely driven these cars a lot. And my uncle, my granddad had one. Not a pace car like this one, but still. They are boats, but the power steering is definitely well charged, and you can steer it with a fingertip, and it just floats like a land yacht. Very, very large. Looking over that hood. By the way, I'm here at Rose Hill Plantation, in case you're wondering the beautiful location. This is Rose Hill Plantation down in South Carolina, near Hilton Head. And just a cool example of a special Cadillac. I mean, certainly there were plenty of Eldorados, but not many official pace cars. I'm not sure how many they built, but certainly a limited number. And original tires, certainly. I don't think you could probably find them to replace them. But it's got red leather interior, very similar. Everything looks similar to the Coupe de Ville from 3 years earlier. No metal plate there in the back to bang your head against, but red leather, and looks to be in okay shape. It's got a dash cover, but nice car nonetheless, and certainly a lot of its original charm of being an Indianapolis pace car. There's a lot of Indianapolis pace cars out there. You can find Camaros, you can find Mustangs, Corvettes, you name it. A lot of them were done as pace cars, but this is kind of unique, I think. 1973 Cadillac Eldorado convertible. Check out all of my Cadillac reviews, my CTS-V wagon review, 6-speed manual, and ATS also. Some classics as well. I have a rare wagon from this era, actually, that was also a Indianapolis car to carry people around. Check out that video elsewhere on YouTube, and you can see my What Does Drivin Ivan Drive video. And not sure if I have the Cadillac Coupe de Ville in there. I think I might have a shot of it that I took my driver's test in 1970. Turquoise with white interior. But I've always loved Cadillacs, and this one is no exception. Nice car, and this one is owned by the same guy who started the Rob Report, actually, which has some really nice cars in it, and houses too, down here at Rose Hill Plantation in Hilton Head, South Carolina. So there you have it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Check out all of my other videos, Cadillac videos, anything really. Just Google the car and road test and review, or Drivin Ivan, and you'll find it. Find my review of it. Also my disc golf videos. Check out the sport of disc golf. You'll love it. Documentaries and literal video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game, and all my music videos too. I'm Drivin Ivan.